Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's see what I have here. Oh, this is a tiny puppy. Let's learn how to crochet an amigurumi dog with my video tutorial today. And this is the perfect Chinese Zodiac gift for people who born in November or the year of dog. You can find all other Chinese Zodiac Amigurumi Crochet animal in the link the description below, available in video tutorials, free pattern or premium PDF pattern, plus the exclusive birthday cards for Chinese Zodiac sign only. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updates for more videos. To crochet the Zodiac Dog amigurumi, I use the double strands of brown and yellow yarn. This one equal to DK yarn, but you can learn how to crochet from one yarn ball in the link description or in my amigurumi school. I also use the crochet tools 2.5 mm, 7 mm safety eyes, and some stuffing. For the head, body, and legs, you just follow the same instruction on how to crochet a Chinese Zodiac red in my first videos in this collection, Zodiac Animal Amigurumi. The link in the description below. After finish the body and the legs, let's learn how to crochet the ear of the tiny amigurumi puppy. Yay, congratulations, you have done crocheting the tiny puppy on Amigurumi. This one can be the perfect gift for anyone love dog, or you can use as a paper stuffed keychain, even the bag charm. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and show me your make with the hashtags Amigurumi Zodiac, and you tag me and be Granny on your make. I would like to sense my love on your creation. If you would like to crochet the other zodiac animals amigurumi inside the collection, Chinese the zodiac signs amigurumis, or the Greek zodiac signs, the Princess Door collection, you can find in all my shop or in my crochet house with the exclusive birthday cards for all of them. See you again!